Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Now in this video, it's not about diecast, it's about packing your diecast, and I have received this. It's a diecast. I've opened it and I put it back. I want to show you. This is the perfect way of shipping diecast. Small diecast, 1/64 scale or around there. Bigger ones, maybe you will need to use a bigger packing. Now this box, you don't have to tear or cut anything. I just cut the tape here and the box flip opens. That is quite normal. You can get this box anywhere. Bubble wrap, which is also normal. You can buy this bubble wrap anywhere. But this, you see the car inside this? Now it says here, tear this apart and this thing will deflate. But I want to keep it with the air inside, so you can't scratch or damage the car. It is wrapped inside. You just have to put your hand in the opening here, grab the car from the top and bottom and take it out. Now this is the Volvo 850 from Hot Wheels. I have someone change the wheels for me into rubber wheels. They remove the rivet in the front and put in new rubber wheels. But I'm not in this video. It's not about the car, it's about this plastic packaging, and I can reuse this. But of course, to keep this, it takes space. I can reuse this. You see it, just squeeze your car inside, as in as you can go, and that's it. And wrap it with your bubble wrap, put it in the box. Hardly can ever get damaged unless maybe someone steps on it. Of course, this can't take the weight of a person, it will burst. But if this box drop from a high place, the car won't get damaged. And because this is airtight, if this thing falls into a water or river, it still floats. So there you go. Whoever that is shipping diecast, loose of course, guarded you can use like this. Please do it like this. Right? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.